Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix Cash App tag not showing up. So let's get started. So first of all, go into your Play Store and now go into the search section, and now in here search for Cash App. Now if towards the right hand side of the Cash App, if you see an update button, that means it isn't updated to the latest version. Make sure to click on update to make sure you have the latest version. Now go into settings and go into general. Now go into iPhone storage. Now in here scroll down and search for Cash App and click on it. Now in here click on offload app and click on offload app again. Now reinstall app button will show up. Click on reinstall. This should fix the issue, but if it still doesn't, then go into Cash App, and now on the top right hand side you'll see your profile. Click on it. Now scroll down and click on support. Over here click on something else. Now click on cash card. Again scroll down at the bottom and click on contact support. Now click on not about a transaction. Now tap on chat, and now in here explain to them your issue, that you are unable to see the tags, and they should help you resolve the issue. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.